I think your teacher teach you before you. Yeah. For you. I don't want to smell though.
Stay with the Vikings all the time.
Stay with the Vikings all the time.
I promise.
No one knows. We have recycle, we have upcycle, we have downcycle.
Real quick, and then when I say go, I want you to grab your water bottle. Rule number 1, you have to always stay with your class. Rule number 2, do not pick up trash from the trash can.
Oh my God.
Rule number 3, please be careful. Stay safe.
All right, we're gonna go to the park. We will continue.
Where's the park?
Park's over there.
This park is so clean.
I feel like a vlogger now.
Yeah.
Kids, say
Yeah,
hello to the
have-
camera. Stop smoking.
Oh,
Good job.
Go, go, go. Oh, it scared me.
From the snake. Ew. They really. This can play. Oh!
Jenny, you don't feel scared?
Yes. I feel. Whoa! Whoa! Be careful, be careful.
Hey, careful, careful.
That catch me.
Are you holding? Yeah.
Oh my God! I don't know what to do. Pass the bag, Elijah. Pass the bag to them. Pick up the dash. Everyone walk. Everyone party. Okay.
So, these are all the trash that we picked today. You should all be really proud of yourself. So, the winner belongs to all of you. And quick news, you're getting pizza party on Friday, this Friday. And you get extra outside playtime by a teacher. Okay, so everyone's the winner. Thank you very much. If your class take up the trash, please help me. You put them in the garbage can. It's too full?
Hold on. There's a bottle inside.
Okay. Careful, don't bump your head, Vincent. Don't bump your head.